Hey there everybody, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how you can invite your friend to play the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Zynga Poker game. Once you're on the main menu of Zynga Poker game, access your Friends tab. Your Friends tab should be located in the bottom right section of the game. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. Once you're inside your Friends tab, head over to Referrals. Now you'll be given your referral code. You can copy your referral code and send it to your friends, or you can directly share them by tapping on the green button that says Share. So just tap on Share and you can share your codes on your social medias and your messages too. You can even send a direct message to your friend with your code in it. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you learned how to invite your friends to Zynga Pokers. But if you still have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.